In this video, we're going to take a look at an individual integral. This would be common in a Calc 1 class because we're just going to do a basic u substitution. So for starters, what we're going to do is we're going to let our u be everything that is underneath the radical. So I'm going to say u is equal to 1 plus x to the third. All right, next step is going to be take the derivative of both sides. So we'll have a du, and then we'll have a 3x squared dx. Now I am going to go ahead and solve all the way down for that dx. So we'll have a du over 3x squared is equal to that dx. All right, now when we get to that point, then we'll be able to come back up to our integral and then start doing some replacements. The 3x to the second is going to stay there. I'm going to replace the 1 plus x to the third with u. So I'm going to have the square root of u. I'm going to replace that dx with what it equals. So we'll have a du over a 3x squared. What that's going to do then, it's going to let you cross out those 3x squareds. Taking that radical and putting it into exponential form, we'll have the integral of a u raised to the 1/2 power du. Doing that just lets us integrate this a little bit easier now because we can see adding 1 here, how that's going to affect the overall answer. So when we integrate, we'll have a 2/3 u to the 3/2, and then plus c because we have integrated. At this point, we can replace u with what it equals, and then in the same step, I'm going to take this and put it back in radical form. So square root of whatever our u is to the third power, since our original problem was in that radical form. So I'm going to have the 2/3 out in front. I'll have a square root replacing u with a 1 plus x to the third, and then that would be to the third power for that exponent there, and then plus c. So pretty much a straightforward u substitution. You would learn this very, very early on in a Calc 1 class. So definitely thanks for watching. If the videos are helping, please share with your friends so they can benefit too. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks.